Calling all grill masters and pizza enthusiasts, do you crave delicious, restaurant-quality pizzas without investing in a dedicated pizza oven? The Geras Pizza Oven for Grill might be the answer to your culinary desires. This innovative and easy-to-use accessory transforms your existing grill into a pizza-making powerhouse, allowing you to craft crispy crust pizzas outdoors. Let's explore the functionalities, potential limitations, and overall effectiveness of the Geras Pizza Oven to see if it's the perfect match for your outdoor culinary adventures. The Geras Pizza Oven prioritizes achieving restaurant-quality results. It boasts innovative technology that focuses on heat retention. This translates to a more consistent cooking environment, ensuring your pizzas are cooked even with perfectly browned cheese and a delightfully crisp crust. Say goodbye to soggy pizzas and embrace the joy of homemade pizzas that rival those from your favorite pizzeria. One of the most appealing aspects of the Geras Pizza Oven is its completeness. This isn't just an oven, it's a comprehensive pizza-making kit. The package includes the oven itself, a ceramic pizza stone, an aluminum pizza peel, and a bonus recipe booklet. This eliminates the need for separate purchases and allows you to start crafting delicious pizzas right away. The included recipe booklet provides a helpful starting point for both experienced pizzaiolos and beginners. The Geras Pizza Oven isn't picky about its grill companions. It's designed to be compatible with most gas grills, wood grills, and even charcoal grills. This versatility allows you to utilize your existing grilling setup without the need for additional equipment. Whether you're a Weber enthusiast, a Napoleon devotee, or simply enjoy the smoky flavor of charcoal grilling, the Geras Pizza Oven seamlessly integrates with your preferred grilling method. The Geras Pizza Oven prioritizes user-friendliness. Unlike some pizza ovens that require intricate assembly, the Geras system is remarkably simple. It doesn't require any assembly. All you need to do is place it on your grill and you're ready to start crafting pizzas. This ease of use makes it perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to skip the assembly hassle and jump right into pizza making fun. The Geras Pizza Oven comes with a 6-month warranty, demonstrating the manufacturer's confidence in its quality. With its focus on heat retention, complete pizza making kit, and beginner-friendly design, the Geras Pizza Oven offers a compelling value proposition. While it might not be the most high-end pizza oven on the market, it allows you to transform your existing grill into a pizza-making powerhouse at a reasonable price point. For those who crave the satisfaction of homemade pizzas without the hefty investment of a dedicated pizza oven, the Geras Pizza Oven presents a worthwhile alternative. While the Geras Pizza Oven boasts heat retention technology, it might not offer the same level of insulation as a dedicated pizza oven. This could potentially affect cooking times or heat consistency, especially in colder climates. Another factor to consider is the size. With a 15-inch pizza stone, the Geras Pizza Oven is suitable for most personal pizzas, but it might not accommodate larger pizzas. Overall, the Geras Pizza Oven for Grill is a strong contender for anyone who wants to elevate their outdoor cooking experience by adding delicious pizzas to the menu. Its ease of use, compatibility with most grills, and complete pizza-making kit make it a compelling option for both beginners and experienced grillers alike. While it might not be the most high-end solution on the market, the Geras Pizza Oven offers excellent value for its price point, transforming your existing grill into a pizza-making powerhouse. If you're looking for a convenient and budget-friendly way to enjoy restaurant-quality pizzas outdoors, then the Geras Pizza Oven is worth considering. With its simple setup and delicious results, it can become the centerpiece of countless backyard pizza parties, transforming any gathering into a pizza-filled celebration. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.